How to make group chat on Snapchat. First of all, head over to your application Snapchat and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on this icon at the bottom and head over to your chat section of your Snapchat. So right here you'll get to see the blue icon which says new. Tap on it. Now in this section, all you want to do is enter the name of the person that you want to add to the group chat. So let me add this person to my group chat for now. Let me add another person too. You can add up to 100 people in the group chat. Once you have added, right here at the top you can enter the name of the group chat. You can name the group as you prefer. Let me set it to friends. Once you are done, tap on chat with group at the bottom. There you go, your group has been successfully made. Now you can easily send the text to this group. Also, you can add more members if you want to by just tapping on add members. You can add any person that you want from here. So that's it, and this is simply how you can make a group chat on Snapchat. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.